Our next topic of discussion is voltage reference circuit. So basically this voltage reference circuit will give you some voltage that is highly precise voltage and it has high stability. So basic requirements for this voltage reference circuits are that first one is that it should be independent of power supply, independent of any temperature variation, independent of a processing variation, and independent of a noise and any other interferences. So these are the basic requirements for implementing our reference circuit, and this reference circuit, voltage circuit are. But before going into the different reference voltage reference circuit, we have one parameter that is called your sensitivity, and sensitivity is basically a measure of dependent of V reference upon a parameter or variable X which influences V reference. So that is represented by this term S X V reference, that is delta V ref by Vref divided by delta X by X, that is equal to X by Vref delta Vref delta X. So if you find out the sensitivity of a system, then you can easily discuss or you can easily confer that how your reference circuit is it stable or not. So here if we, for ideal case, S should be 0. That means there will be no variation of your reference voltage with respect to any temperature, with respect to any supply voltage VDD. So these are the four circuit we can generate our V reference. First one is your resistive divider circuit R1 R2. So across this voltage across resistance R2 we can calculate and we get a V reference. So these are the four combination. There are so many advantages and disadvantages of the circuit. Let us analyze one by one. So first one is your V reference can be written as V reference equal to R2 by R1 plus R2 into VDD. So here V reference is directly proportional to VDD, so that is not a preferable voltage reference source. So we can discard this type of reference and we can replace this one by using our MOS M1 and M2 MOS, and we are taking the output across this MOS M1. So V reference is given by this expression. This type of circuit is called active device voltage divider circuit. So Vref can be written by this expression, and if you derive the sensitivity of this circuit, so that will be in almost 1. So that is, this circuit will not be preferable for voltage reference generator. Next, in the next circuit, here we can find out the V reference from this expression, and ultimately if you derive the sensitivity of this circuit and assuming VDD equal to 5 volt and W by L equal to 2 and R equal to 100 kilo ohm, so it is found that S equal to 0.283. So that means it will provide a highly stable voltage reference, and or the circuit can be act as a simple voltage, highly stable voltage reference circuit. So next one is another voltage reference circuit is shown in the figure. Here the V reference is given by R1 plus R2 by R2 into VGS, where VGS is stabilized by our resistance R2. Here V reference is not proportional to any supply voltage. So this type of circuit will provide your highly stable reference voltage source, reference voltage generator. So we can prefer this type of circuit because it is independent of our voltage source VDD. So that's all for our today's class. Thank you.